Are you ready to transform your laundry routine into a truly sustainable practice? Discover the O3 Pure Ozone Eco Laundry System, a groundbreaking innovation designed for the eco-conscious home. This system promises a cleaner, greener wash without harsh chemicals or hot water. The O3 Pure system easily attaches to your existing washing machine in just 10 minutes, requiring no special tools. It allows you to wash clothes without detergent, chemicals, or even hot water, making it perfect for sensitive skin and a healthier planet. This powerful ozone technology effectively removes mold, mildew, and odors, leaving fabrics naturally fresh. More effective than older ionic systems, the O3 Pure is CE and RoHS certified for quality and safety. It consumes less than 45 watts, running only during fill or rinse cycles, significantly saving energy and money. Users praise its ability to deliver clean, fluffy clothes, often replacing traditional detergents entirely. However, it's important to note that while excellent for general cleaning and odor elimination, some users report it may not fully remove tough stains without additional spot treatment. This system excels at chemical-free sanitization and freshness, reducing your environmental footprint. The O3 Pure offers a true 3-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring durability and peace of mind. Everything needed for installation is included, making this an effortless upgrade for your home. Embrace a future of sustainable laundry. Ready to make a positive impact on your home and the planet? Click the link in the description to learn more about the O3 Pure Ozone Eco Laundry System and claim a special, limited-time offer. Join the movement towards a cleaner, greener lifestyle today.